Hello students, in this video we will solve an example related to theorems of the continuity. Our question is the function defined by f of x equal to modulus of x is a continuous function? Function is f of x equal to modulus of x is a continuous function. See carefully, since function is f of x equal to mod of x, we can write this function f of x equal to minus x if x is less than 0 and plus x, that means positive x, if x is greater than or equal to 0. Now first we check at x equal to 0 this function is continuous or not. At x equal to 0, limit x to 0 f of x equal to limit x to 0 mod of x equal to 0, and value of function at x equal to 0, f of 0 equal to also 0, since limit x to 0 f of x equal to f of 0, therefore function is continuous in at x equal to 0. Now we will take x equal to c, where c is a real number and we will check at x equal to c given function is continuous or not. If x equal to c is less than 0, then limit x to c negative, means here limit f of x equal to limit x to c negative minus x. If you transfer this limit, this will be minus c, and value of function at x equal to c, f of c equal to minus c, since limit x tends to c, f of x equal to f of c, therefore therefore function is continuous for all negative real numbers. Now we will check this function is continuous or discontinuous for all positive real numbers. Now x equal to c, when value of c is greater than 0, then limit x tends to c positive. In this case f of x will be equal to x, then limit x tends to c positive, f of x equal to limit x tends to c positive, this will be x. If you transfer the limit, then this will be c, since value of function at x equal to c, f of c equal to also c, therefore limit x tends to c positive, f of x equal to f of c, Therefore, given function is continuous for all positive numbers, all positive real numbers. Now you can see here, this function is continuous for every negative real numbers, and this function is continuous for continuous at x equal to 0, and this continuous for all positive real numbers. That means given function f of x equal to mod of x is the continuous for all real numbers. Therefore, function is continuous. Function is continuous
इसके नीचे नहीं दिखेगा.
function. Now in the next video we will discuss about next topic of continuity.